Hi everybody, welcome back to a new YouTube video. Today is going to be a little bit different. Today I am going to be making a bracelet and showing you guys the basics of it, as well as the different type of beads that I have. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new. I will also set up the link of Instagram and Snapchat if you guys want to go follow me on that as well. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so before we get started, I do want to apologize in advance. Just in case I cough out of the blue. I'm still recovering. It's really slow recover, so I will do my best to talk without coughing. So today we're going to be working with Swarovski. I don't know how you word it. A lot of people say it in different ways. We're going to be talking and just showing you some tips of how to tie your bracelet, how to organize it, and well, the different types of colors and beads there is. I do want to apologize for not posting right away. I do have a lot in my hands lately and I'm not able to post on time, so I'm so sorry about that. I will try to post every Tuesday and not every Wednesday or Friday, especially at night. So I will do my best. So we're going to start with making the bracelet. So I just get a basic stretchy string. It's clear. You can use color, do whatever you want. The size, I just honestly guess, like literally guess. Don't cut it too long because then you'll waste a lot of string. So we're going to start by putting our string through that little loop right there. So let's do that. It's easy. I don't think I need to show you guys that part. So there you go. And now we are going to start by putting in the beads. So you get one. Well, I mean, you can actually get two. So you get the two ends of your string. I don't know if you can see there. There you go. And excuse my ugly nails and hands. So you're going to start putting them through. I don't know if you can see me doing it. Hopefully you can. Trying to look at the camera and look at where I'm putting the beads at the same time. So you're just going to let it all the way. And this is a custom made bracelet. This is actually an order for one of my awesome special customers, even though all of you guys are. She does consider herself a VIP because she's always buying bracelets off of me. So, stringing it through. It's coming out. I mean, it doesn't need to be in order unless you want it to be. Totally up to you. I usually just grab a bunch and just loop it through. And get some more. So you just go all the way down until you fill it up. So I'll let you guys do that and I will show you how mine ended. Alright you guys, so my bracelet is done. Before you fill up your whole bracelet, I definitely forgot to tell you to measure it, and if it's your bracelet, measure it at your wrist, or for my example, it's my customer, so I obviously have to do it the size of her wrist. So please do measure it. Don't waste your string. Don't overfill it and make it huge, unless that person has a huge wrist. So this is the end of my bracelet, so I'm going to tie it now. So I'm going to grab both of my strings. Let's see if I can. So we're gonna like this, and you're just gonna tie a knot. You're just gonna tie a simple knot. See, there you go. Tying it lightly because then it's just gonna explode everywhere. And what I do is I do triple because I want to make sure my bracelet is well done and tightened, and sometimes I even go for a fourth. I mean, why not? So I tighten it, and there you go. And then what you do is you cut the excess off. So you go and you don't cut it too short. So I guess that will be fine. So then you grab it. So you can leave it this big. You can cut it a little shorter, but just don't cut it all the way because the bracelet will definitely fall apart. So there you go. And there's your basic bracelet. I know a lot of you don't like the charms. You don't need to. Oh, another thing I forgot to show you is that this, you can always hide it in between the beads. So you just pull it lightly, not too crazy, because then it will come apart. Here, let me do it. Let's see, I'm trying to fix this. For small beads, it's a little complicated. You're not supposed to do that many knots. But I try to secure it just in case. So mine's not working. Hopefully yours, you didn't tie it like 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So there you go. There's that bracelet. I was going to say, a lot of people don't like charms. So for those of you who don't like charms, you don't need to add a charm. You can make a basic bracelet just like this one. Well, let me show you if I can get it out. Here it is. This is a crystal bracelet, and it doesn't have any charms. It's just a normal bracelet. Here, yeah, it has that, but you can always slide it in like that. There you go. And so when you look at it, you can't see where you tied it. So it look nice and clean and professional. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe and look at my other videos. I'm not really used to posting videos to how to make jewelry, but if you guys really want to learn a little more, please let me know, and subscribe again, and go follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. I would love to hear your comments on what you think about this video, if this helped you, if this was too hard, if this was too easy. Comment below, let me know, and thank you for spending some time with me to learn how to make a simple, nice bracelet like this one.